Here's a quick tutorial on how to link your calendars with Airbnb, VRBO, and Kingdom B&B. You'll log into your dashboard. You'll click on Properties. And in your Properties menu, if you have multiple properties, you'll see several photos here of each property. You'll select the property that you're wanting to link the calendar for. Within your menu, you're going to scroll down to where it says Booking Options. And in the bottom of that section, you'll find where it says Outgoing URL. You want to make sure you copy this entire URL. Then you'll log into your Airbnb dashboard as host. You'll go to your availability settings. You'll select Import Calendar. Once you're in the Import Calendar section, a box will appear for you to paste the link that you just copied from Kingdom B&B here. Your next step is to name your calendar. My suggestion, of course, is to name it Kingdom B&B so that you're able to differentiate where your bookings came from. And then you'll select Import Calendar. Now, to export the Airbnb calendar to your Kingdom B&B calendar, you'll return to your dashboard. You'll select iCal Feeds. And after you have copied your calendar from Airbnb, you'll go to the Export Calendar section so that you can receive that link. Once you've copied that link from Airbnb and you return to your dashboard, under iCal Feeds, you will paste that link here. Once you click on Import, it will bring all of your bookings from Airbnb to your calendar on Kingdom B&B, and this stops any double bookings from taking place. If you need additional assistance on how to do this, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to assist you.